I was just thinking about my morning. I spent the first hour, maybe hour and a half, just wrestling with a spreadsheet, reformatting cells, chasing down data points. By the time I actually got to the analysis, the part that requires my actual brain, I was just tired.
There's a term for that. I was just reading this piece that calls it the person left over after drudgery. It's that depleted version of yourself that's left after you've battled all the administrative friction.
The person left over. That's it exactly. You start the day with all this potential, and by 10 a.m., you're just a fraction of yourself, delivering a shadow of what you could have done.
Right, and it's this quiet drain that the current media narrative about AI completely misses. Everyone's focused on these big, scary stories, robots taking all the jobs, AI companions, the digital dystopia stuff.
Because fear gets